Hopefully it works now. Happy Sabbath, everyone. Today I've prepared a little nature talk about the Cape buffalo. So the Cape buffalo, which lives in sub-Saharan Africa, and they have around 900,000, like roughly. They're quite extinct. There's not that many of them. They're a mild species, and they also prefer to travel in mass herds. They love going in the morning and in the afternoons. You can't really see them during the day. They either go at morning or at night. And they're always around watering holes to stay hydrated. So they always stay in big packs. So, however, if an individual or its calf is threatened or wounded, they become the incarnation of their nickname, the Black Death. They are reported the most for killing more hunters on the continent than any other creature. So this bull or cow, whatever you want to call it, it's actually killed more hunters and more people in Africa than any other animal in Africa. You wouldn't think so. These beasts, which can grow up to nearly 6 feet tall and weigh close to a ton, circle and stalk their prey before charging at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They're even known to continue charging no matter what, even if they're injured, and they will not hesitate to attack moving vehicles as well. I wanted to put a video, but it was a bit gruesome, so I thought, in case the kids, it wouldn't be a good idea. But yeah, this bull has flipped cars. So there are videos where these bulls actually flip cars and stuff. So they are definitely a force of nature you don't want to fight against. So how does this relate to us? Sin is very similar to these buffaloes. At first, it looks harmless, and the sinner doesn't think it would lead into anything. Same as this buffalo. I bet you that if you have seen this buffalo, you wouldn't have guessed that it has killed the most hunters on the continent than any other creature. However, the Bible says in 1 Corinthians 10:13, "No temptation has overtaken you except what is common to mankind. And God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, He will also provide a way out so that you can endure it. No matter how big or small the sin is, God always gives you as much as He knows you can bear, and He will guide us out of it if we let Him." So yeah, same as the buffalo is, a lot of times we don't see how dangerous a sin can be until it's too late. So yeah, it's just something that I found really interesting. Thank you very much.